What is up, Prince Squad? I'm back with another video, and today y'all would not believe where I'm at. Let me see if I can kind of show y'all where I'm at, like right there. Can y'all read that sign right there? That says Humble Civic Center. So it's somebody y'all know and I know that are they got their shop here. So that's what we heading right now. We're gonna surprise this person. I can't tell y'all who it is, but if y'all want to find out who it is, stay tuned.
T-shirt chick.
All right, it's me and this person right here. You want to tell the people who you are? Or you don't want to know who you are? This is one of my friends from high school, and you want to be on here, Nike?
Sure.
And this is her daughter.
Hi.
And she going all the way to Germany, y'all. I ain't never even been out the United States, like for real. So we headed over here. I can't really tell y'all where we headed to right now, but y'all can kind of, you know, check it out.
Half a mile, turn left, and use the side road to go onto East Tech Freeway.
Yeah, so I'm gonna get off of here so we won't get no tickets or run nobody over, and I'm gonna check back in a few minutes. Now look at her taking selfies. Alright, y'all, I'm disguised for a reason. So look, y'all can see what I'm looking like out here. If y'all can see my reflection in that mirror over there. Look, y'all can see me this way. Look, I got my portfolio. This what I, you hold this and film me for a minute. This what I got on. So look, do I look disguised enough, y'all? Can y'all tell who I am?
Yes.
Alright, yeah, so y'all, I'm gonna show y'all where we going, y'all. Watch this. Look at this place right here. Look where we at, y'all. Look where we at. Nike Designs, y'all. The door is locked. The door is locked.
Hey, what's up? Come on in. How you doing?
How y'all doing?
Come on in. I'm sorry.
Look, how you doing?
I have no idea what's going on, but people just showed up, and I'm not wearing makeup, and I think I need to. I think I have to go. I'm gonna
Okay.
give you
Good.
All right, hey,
okay?
I was hoping y'all wouldn't know who I was.
I know exactly who you are, so I didn't open the door.
I'm disguised, and y'all know this guy right
What's
here.
going on,
Oh my
everybody?
god! And this is how I show up, and you told me I look like this, right?
I'm sorry, I won't film you if you don't want to film me.
She'll edit it out.
So I got my portfolio.
Good job.
Look, I heard that y'all was looking for a graphic designer, so
Oh, really?
I brought my portfolio, and
Nice to meet you.
I'm not gonna get you on camera because you don't want to be. You gotta
All right,
look at
I'm gonna take a look at it.
Yeah,
Fabulous.
yeah. Check out my portfolio. And
You know what? I think you got more talent than anybody else we've interviewed.
yeah,
so.
and like I do a lot of stuff for holidays and stuff, so you know it's that's why.
How do you know anything about T-shirts?
A little bit.
Would
like,
you be willing to help out in the shop occasionally?
Yes, I would. I watch videos all the time on YouTube. I watch your videos too. That's how I found out about the job. You know?
I watch T-shirt chick all the time. Every day she come up.
People be telling me I look like her, but I never watch her. She too corny. I don't watch her stuff.
No, well, don't listen to them. They don't know what the hell they're talking about.
I gotta ask you the main question is, are you gonna be cool with the shop dog?
Yeah, the shop dog is
okay
alright.
with him?
Look, he's a shop dog. He's a tech dog.
Hey!
Oh, hush.
He's a
He's
tech dog.
excited now. No, he just wants attention down.
Y'all, I really wasn't planning on getting a tour, but look, y'all check everything out. This is huge.
So here's the
Okay, I'm sorry.
let me, since you're applying to this job here, or at least interested, let me
Okay.
explain what's going on out here. This is a washout booth. This is where we reclaim screens.
All right.
And if you're not familiar with what a screen is, this is what they look like here.
Oh, okay. Okay, I was thinking it was like the screens on the window at home.
Oh.
Yeah, that's what I.
It is. We
They
got
look
some
a lot
of those
different.
too. Yeah, we got some of those too. Look. See, this is just about like what's on your front
Window
door.
screens,
See right
yeah.
there? It's,
Yeah.
it's just closed up enough to keep the bugs out
Okay.
and let glitter through.
Yeah, because we have a lot of mosquitoes in Louisiana, but I was going to move over here once I got the job and stuff, you know, I just...
Oh, they're just as bad here. June bugs too. It's that time of year. They're starting to fly in. So.
Yeah, but I know y'all got stuff to do. I'm not going to hold y'all up.
No,
I just
it's
was going to visit with y'all for a minute.
Are you kidding me? I'm trying to figure out any excuse I can to get out of work for the Easter holiday.
Yeah, y'all working tomorrow or y'all off?
Oh, I know.
All right, Prince Squad, and that pretty much concludes the video. We just tried to do a little surprise visit and just hung out for a little while, but that's all I have for you. So I appreciate you guys watching. If you like the video, be sure to hit the thumbs up button and go ahead and subscribe to this channel and the Red channel, and also follow me on Instagram and go to Facebook and join that Prince Squad group. And also on the Red channel, I do live streams daily. That's a new thing I just started, so y'all be sure to subscribe to the Red channel. Y'all get a chance to ask all your questions and get responses right away. And I appreciate you guys watching, and I will see you in the next video. Prince Squad out.